This is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I'll show and reveal a few useful camera tips and tricks on this device. So to start, I would like to introduce you to the Camera Pro mode. So go into the More mode section and enter it. What this mode does is that it actually just allows you to manually set all the most important picture parameters, such as its ISO value. You can set it manually here, shutter speed, exposure, focus, what else, and white balance. So here, let me get everything back to manual. So I guess that will be a feature that all camera enthusiasts will appreciate, since it gives you all the manual control over what you're shooting that you'll ever need. Another option or another feature that I wanted to show in this video is located in the settings, so let's launch them here. First, let me exit the Pro mode, so the full settings will be shown. So it is called the Advanced Intelligence option, so open them. Here you can enable the quality optimization and screen optimizer. This way you are letting the AI, or well, I'm not sure whether it is true AI or not, to be perfectly honest, but just this way, if you enable all those optimizations, the software will improve your pictures drastically. So try it out. What else? And another thing that I wanted to show is that you can not only enable the watermark but customize its content. So let's do that. Here is the preview picture so we can see it better. You can, change all those preferences, decide what things will be displayed and how they will. So here you can write anything you want. It's customizable, as you can see. You can set any date you want, or not any date you want, but choose the format that the date will have. The same goes for time here. You can also customize the font for your watermark, change its alignment, and change its horizontal and vertical alignment, respectively. And the final cool function or option that I wanted to reveal is located in the shooting methods section of settings. So let's enter it. So first of them is show palm. So enable this one, and then voice commands. So what they do is that if we were to use our camera and show our palm, it should take a photo. As you can see, the countdown has been started and the photo was also taken. Now that was the show palm shooting method. Another cool and convenient shooting method that I've enabled is voice control. So if I were to say cheese, as you can see, it takes a photo, or I guess smile, it also does that. So voice commands and voice control is also, a very useful and cool feature, at least as far as I'm concerned. So I guess that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.